Hey guys, Jill here from Newegg TV with an unboxing of this spill-resistant keyboard and mouse combo by IOGEAR. The spill-resistant keyboard and mouse combo comes with the spill-resistant keyboard, mouse, and a quick start guide which also comes with information about safety, warranty, and product registration. So the mouse is your standard 800 DPI resolution mouse. Here we have left and right click, scroll wheel, and on the back we have your optical sensor. Connects with the USB cord. The keyboard is your standard full-size QWERTY keyboard. We've got some lovely LED indicator lights over here, and what makes this keyboard different than other keyboards is it's designed to protect from spills and splashes. The way it does this is there are actually canals under the keys which drain the fluid from the keys through the drainage channels, which you can see right here, these several holes. Those are the channels through which the spilled liquid would drain. Also on the back, you'll notice we have 4 grips and a couple of feet. This has been an unboxing of the spill-resistant keyboard and mouse combo by IOGEAR. My name is Jill with Newegg TV. If you'd like to see more tech videos, please check out our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.